Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Kinanti Rahayu Zahra from the Computer Engineering Program, Faculty of Electrical Engineering, Telkom University, Bandung. And today I will present our research titled Comparative Analysis of Raspberry Pi Generation and Camera Modules for High Quality Image Streaming in Driving Safety Monitoring. This work is a collaboration with Cheta Maulana Andika, M. Sani Faisal Azhar, Mr. Surya Mihrandi Nasution, Ms. Anggun Mekaluhur Prasasti, and Mr. Reza Rendian Septiawan.
This is the outline for my presentation. I will begin with the background and research objective, and then continue with the methodology and system design. After that, I will present the result for both the camera modules and the processing unit, and followed by the warning system design. And finally, I will conclude the key findings and future works. Traffic accident in Indonesia increased by 34.4% from 2021 to 2022. Most of them are caused by human factors such as fatigue, distraction, and risky driving behavior. However, exciting monitoring systems are often limited by hardware performance and lighting condition. Therefore, we propose a real-time, low-cost, embedded driver monitoring system using Raspberry Pi and camera module. Our research is guided by four primary objectives. First, we aim to compare the performance of the Raspberry Pi models 3, 4, and 5. And second, we will evaluate three camera modules, the Arducam Stereo USB, the Raspberry Pi Noir version 2, and the Raspberry Pi 3 Night Vision. And third, we intend to measure accuracy, CPU usage, inference time, and temperature. And finally, our goals is to identify the optimal hardware combination for real-time driver monitoring. In this research, we built two different datasets. The first dataset was created for distraction detection, which includes activities such as phone use, smoking, and makeup. These images were processing using media pipe to recognize the corresponding objects. And the second dataset was based on facial landmarks with about 1,200 images. This dataset was designed to capture signs of drowsiness such as yawning, and the landmark features extracted by MediaPipe were then classified by using the XGBoost, which is lightweight and suitable for real-time detection on Raspberry Pi. And we test both datasets on Raspberry Pi 3, 4, and 5 with three different camera modules under both day and night condition. And for evaluation, we use several metrics accuracy, inference time, CPU usage, and temperature. And on the right side of the slide, you can see example of our dataset annotation, including distraction case like makeup, cigarettes, and handbag. This slide shows the system design of our driving monitoring system. At the core, we use the Raspberry Pi as the main processing unit. A camera module is connected to capture the driver face in the real time, and the video stream is then processed by our software pipeline, which include MediaPipe for feature extraction and XGBoost for classification. If the system detects sign of fatigue, such as yawning or distraction like while use, makeup, or smoking, the Raspberry Pi immediately triggers an output module. This output is connected to a buzzer or speaker, which provide an audio warning to alert the driver. Among the three models, Raspberry Pi 5 demonstrate the best overall performance. In terms of accuracy, it achieved 92%, which is significantly higher than Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 4. This shows that Raspberry Pi 5 is not only faster but also more reliable in classifying fatigue and distraction activity. And the inference times was just 71 milliseconds. This means the system can process more than 10 frames per second, which is sufficient for real-time driver monitoring. And by comparison, by Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 4 required more processing time, which could lead to delayed alerts in actual driving condition. And for CPU usage on Raspberry Pi 5 was only 33.6%, whereas Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 4 consume much more, and lower CPU usage indicates the Raspberry Pi 5 still has additional processing capacity, so the system can run continuously without risking overload. And for the thermal performance was also better, and Raspberry Pi 5 mentioned an average of 72.5 degrees Celsius, while Raspberry Pi 4 exactly 83 degrees. This show that Raspberry Pi 5 can operate for longer periods with less risk of overheating. And for the camera performance, the night vision camera produces the best result in low light condition because of its built-in infrared capability. And for the Arducam stereo USB support 3D vision, but suffered from resolution instability. And the Raspberry Pi Noir version 2 worked well, but required additional infrared components and wiring, which made it more complicated to implement. And therefore, the best overall combination is Raspberry Pi 5 with the night vision camera, providing high accuracy and stable detection across both day and night conditions.
This slide explains the 3D design of the system casing and the camera placement. We start by designing the camera case using Autodesk Vision. The design is simple and square shaped with a tolerance of 0.05 millimeters to reduce friction and ensure proper fitting. And ventilation holes were added at the top and bottom to maintain airflow and prevent overheating during long operation. For the processing and output unit case, we use a similar approach. This also have a 0.05 millimeter tolerance and include internal dividers to stabilize the components. However, the ventilation holes are placed on the top and back side only, since the base of the case is in direct contact with the vehicle surface. And on the right side of the slide, you can see a comparison of the possible camera placement on the dashboard and on the windshield. After testing, we found that the most effective placement is in the center above the dashboard. This position ensures that the driver face is fully visible for accurate detection and while also avoiding obstruction of the road view. And additionally, it simplifies cable management and integration with the casing.
To notify the driver, we use an audio-based warning system. This approach was selected because it's simple, fast, and non-intrusive compared to automatic braking or water spray system. Audio alerts are more practical and safe as they can immediately catch the driver attention without distraction or shock, and it is also low cost and energy efficient, making it ideal for embedded systems. In conclusion, Raspberry Pi 5 combined with the night vision camera achieved the best performance with 92% detection accuracy, low CPU usage, and very fast inference time. And the system is compact, affordable, and shows strong potential for real-time safety applications in vehicles. And for future work, we plan to improve the hardware aspect of the system, such as integrating all components into a single compact module, optimizing the power supply for in-vehicle use, and designing a more robust casing for better durability. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Once again, I will say thank you for your attention and for taking time to listen. I will be very happy to answer any question or receive feedback from the audience. Good morning, everyone.